Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add Prophet Muhammad our on Instagram chain story. First, open your Instagram app, then search for Instagram account Astrida03. Open profile and click on add your sticker 16 story highlights. Click on this add your sticker. It is a Muslim religion, add yours where in Arabic it's written God bless him and you will. So if you are Muslim, then add your story with Muslim template or your prophet's sticker or photo. Adjust the sticker. And send it to your story. Wait till it's posting. You can get all the new viral and trending add your sticker in my Instagram account highlights from day one. So this was the process by which you can add Prophet Muhammad our own Instagram chain story. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.